All right, so we want to get our microgreens, get a little bit of dressing on these. These are these gorgeous little microgreens. Just little baby lettuces. So we're going to give them a little bath in our dressing. And turn those around. Just want to coat them. Just to get them coated. And they are going to go inside of my ring mold. Let's grab a few more of these. Don't worry if you got a few little drops on the plate. Just always wipe that off. I'm going to tuck these really, make them real pretty so that they're tucked inside of my papaya. My mango. So they're tucked inside of my mango.